Hello everyone. Okay, another item to go. This is a linear actuator to design a Z-axis, or and maybe a different axis for lathe, or but for the Z-axis could be great because you have this part, round half a moon part, which you can design some mounting hole for your spindle. This is a metric shaft. They're treated, they're hard steel treated, extremely accurate, absolutely no play, very smooth translation in both. I mean, this is one of the few axes that I seen with this absolutely smooth and tight and nice. The bushings are recirculating steel ball bushings made in England. The shafts are 505 millimeters by 19 millimeters in diameter. Exactly 19 millimeters in diameter. If we move into the standard, we close to 20, is a little bit over 19 3/4 inch, and the diameter, let's see if I found the diameter of the shafts is about 3/4 inch, exactly 3/4 inch or 19 millimeters. Anyway, I assume it's a metric because the bushings are made in England, and you know my caliper, metric caliper, drop exactly in the 19 millimeters. However, this is a very large and heavy. Let me remove the shafts. This is a 4 recirculating steel ball bushings. In the center, between them, they have a kind of another bushing or the spacer, and there's 2 in this side and 2 in the other side. So you have that's why it's pretty accurate, because the support and all together is about a little bit over 40 inches of solid support. And this is built in the center. It's ready to insert a lead screw, and it's have another threading hole right here to support, to tie the knot. You have this surface. They have 4 hex screws for the linear bearings, I mean for the bushings. They perhaps could be adjusted for a little bit more pressure, or perhaps they may be designed for not to move. This is the half moon. What I said is a very heavy piece. Altogether is 10 pounds of weight, so it's a very heavy piece. The dimensions are 4 inches average, 4 inches by 4 1/4 by 4. You have a nice half a moon about, we consider the center between maybe close to 3 inches in diameter. Of course, half. You have a step in here, so maybe you can rest a nice a spindle mount in here. I understand this is a project. You have a threading hole right there for the other support, and you have plenty of room in the body for makes more support. This is a nice part. It's made anodized aluminum. It's got some scratches, like here there's a little bit of marks in this side, not affecting any, and it's got angle cuts at the end, flat surfaces, so which is nice because with this some, you know, some time and patience you probably can create a nice part out of this. The shafts, what I said, they're very nice, very clean, hard steel shafts. It's very important to know when you're using steel ball bushings, you need to use treated shaft, because otherwise if you use a regular shaft rod with regular steel, the steel balls could damage the shaft. Once again, is one of the pieces that I don't notice absolutely nothing play at all. When you assemble all together this arrangement, you will have an axis. The axis could be traveled at least 10 inches or 8 to 10 depending on the design. So because I know this is going to be a lot of job to do, perhaps a lot of labor, I just gonna sell the whole thing for only $29.99. And due to the weight, because maybe it's about 12 pounds of weight pad, I need to charge $18 for packaging in the USPS parcel post, because it's pretty heavy. It will be about between 11 to 12 pounds or so in weight, and I need to make the proper package for. So $29.99, $18 for shipping, USPS parcel post. I will take some pictures and they will for sale pretty soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day.